Today, we will conduct an experiment on the plasma cleaner for graphene materials. This is a graphene material with trace impurities and residual contaminants attached, and we need to use the plasma cleaner for surface cleaning. First, we spread the original graphene material on a special sample carrier. Place it into the chamber, close the chamber door and set the parameters, using specially optimized process gases and precise power. After starting the operation, you can observe that the plasma generates high-energy particles in the chamber, which bombard and clean the graphene surface. After the cleaning process is completed, it is necessary to shut down the program to relieve the pressure in the chamber. Subsequently, open the chamber door to take out the sample. This effectively removes the hydrocarbon impurities on the surface. Look, this is the comparison effect before and after cleaning with remarkable results. This experiment confirms the cleaning effect of the plasma cleaner on the graphene surface. Surface cleaning of the material not only enhances its visual appearance, improves the material's own activity, but also providing a more superior material foundation for its applications in fields such as electronic devices and composite materials. If you also have such needs, feel free to check out our products. We will provide you with a high-quality user experience. That's all for this video. Goodbye.